Hello guys, so as you can see we're starting out very baby faced, very fresh, and by the way, have you noticed like my skin starting to clear up, guys? I'm feeling pretty positive about that now. So yeah, feeling pretty good today about this scenario, feeling good. So yeah, today it was very highly requested that I do another tutorial with the JACLYN Hill palette, so that is my intention today. So I will be doing that. So to prime the lid, first I'm going to go in my P. Louise base because it's the bee's knees. And just applying a pretty good amount of that. I've got an eye... Oh, there's a bloody fly in my room. Yeah, sorry. I've got like a kind of an inkling of an idea of what I want to do for my eyes. But nothing's set in stone in my head. But I kind of want to do like, you know, where you do like the full cut crease and then you do your eyeliner or concealer and then put the eyeshadow on and like really blend it and smoke it out. That's kind of what I want to do today, but obviously if my abilities will allow it, then yeah, that's kind of the plan. But like I said, if I can't do it, then it's not going to be set in stone. Right, let me just start zooming you in a bit. So yeah, like I said, going in with the JACLYN Hill palette. Now the idea, I've seen a couple of people do this where they go into the cut crease with a black, but I don't know if I want to mix the black in with a darker purple. We try red and orange, because that will complement my eye colour. The only red that's in here is Living My Best, but I think it's got glitter in it. It's quite nice red, to be honest. So maybe I'm going to mix it in with Living My Best. So I think I'm going to go with like a really teeny eyeliner brush. I'm going to go in with a really small pencil brush and then go on in with the red by itself. Kind of work that into the line. I've mentioned this before, but the powders do have a bit of kickback, so I'm experiencing a bit of fallout. If there's kickback, that's usually a good sign that the pigment is quite good. So the next colour I'm going to go in with, I kind of want to go with Heart On. It's like a couple shades lighter than that red shade, so it's more like, I don't know, like a poppy red, I'd say. So I'm just doing little by little. And obviously because we've used black, don't worry too much if the black looks a little bit harsh at the minute, because as we do our cut crease it'll look more defined and, you know, better. Okay, not too bad. I might put on a little bit more. So I'm going to go back with a slightly bigger brush now. This is on the Morphe M433. And I want to go in with Feeling Myself. So yeah, going in with Feeling Myself. I've already got like the teeniest bit on my brush. And literally like scratching at the skin. I actually changed my mind. I mixed in My Man with Tipsy Girl to give it that like neon pink effect. Okay, Okay, so we're going to go back in with the colours that we've already used. So I'm going to go in with the red. Kind of just want to make sure that we're not losing any of the pigmentation by blending. I actually mixed in a bit of Dance Party in with Heart On when I was blending out that red, which made it look more reddish pink than orangey pink. You could probably just skip a lot of these steps because let's be honest, I've changed my mind on already like multiple times. So this is just kind of my thinking process when doing my makeup. Like, you just kind of see what's missing. One thing I will say about doing a cut crease, it gives me such a headache because I'm constantly like raising my eyebrows. It's like if I had Botox, like I wouldn't have to raise my eyebrows. The job would be already done for me. Just going back in with My Man and Tipsy Go again. Lightly blend in the outer parts of the eye look. There we go. I think I'm happy with how it's looking. I've repeated the colours like 3 times. Because, you know, once you blend, sometimes you can blend away the initial colour that you put down. And obviously I want to see the gradient effect. Yeah, I think I'm happy with how that's built up. I do feel like one of my cut creases is slightly higher than the other, but I can't really do much about that now. Until I cut the crease. Cut the crease. Okay, so I'm going to go with my P. Louise base again. Okay, so what I'm going to do is try and make sure I get the cut crease right. Because I'm going to open my eyes like really crazy like. And I placed the cut and I literally went. So it's near enough where the cut crease did actually happen, so I'm quite proud of myself. I've not used the shimmers yet, but I don't know if it kind of like ruin the vibe that I want to go for. Because like I said, I want to do the liner and really like swing it out as well. So I might just keep it matte. So that's what I feel like I'm going to do. But I do need to set part of this base. So I'm going to go in with the white in here, I guess. The Certified. I'm going in with a fluffy brush. I don't know, I just think like a fluffy brush will set it a bit better. Make sure it's definitely set in the inner corner because that's where I tend to crease. Okay, this isn't looking too bad. I've just got to try and make the other side match. Okay, so this is how we're looking at the minute. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of bricking it about the line a bit because, you know, we've made it up to here and it looks decent. So I'm kind of scared. And look at my hands. Oh, that's gonna stain, isn't it? So I guess I'm gonna go with a liner and go in with some more of that P. Louise base. I'm hoping this isn't gonna make it go chunky at the bottom, but I was careful not to really set the bottom majorly. I mean, it's still a little bit tacky down there. Tell you what, I feel like I'm gonna go dizzy in a minute. The amount of times I've had to like literally hold my breath when doing all this like cut creasing, like ooh. Okay, so that's the liner done with the P. Louise. Other one eye looking so far. Oh, I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I like it red yet. I don't know if I should just do black liner instead. Let's just do the same to the other eye. So what I did with the wings is I used Living My Best and Dance Party for the initial wing, and then to kind of smoke it out a little bit I used Tipsy Girl, and I kind of blended it up. So I'm going to go in with my ink blot gel liner and just start to go below, like really close to the lash line. So what I chose to do instead with the liner is initially go with the black liner and kind of start buffing it out with some eyeshadow. So I used like a bit of pink eyeshadow. I was just kind of buffing it out. So I'm going to go in with my mascara now. I'm going to go with my Adore Beauty lashes in Ariana. I will say though, I'm not a big fan of that white in the palette. It just doesn't. What does it do? Like, it doesn't set. I put it on my cut crease and I've had to go back in with that white shade at least like 3 times, and in the end I've given up and started using like normal powder because it's just not working. So what's the point in me trying? Okay. For this video not to be like super long, I'm just gonna go sort my face out off camera and just come back to you when I'm about to finish the eye look. And so yeah, I'll see you in a bit. And I am back. So just going to finish off the lower lash line because we're looking a bit bare. I feel like I want to go in with Tipsy Girl first. Fade that along the line. Now I want a little bit of depth towards the lash line. So I'm going to go in with a Dance Party and run that really close towards the lash line, but I don't think I'm going to bring it all the way in. I think I'm going to keep most of it towards the outer and middle part. There's quite a few dark bits on the eye look, so I don't know if I want to do super dark on the bottom lash. Maybe just keep it maybe on like right at the outer part, so it looks like the wing kind of connects in. Maybe we'll do that. So I'm going to go in with Temptress, the black. Maybe we just keep it as it is and just apply some mascara. I was thinking of maybe popping yellow in the waterline, but don't. Like I mentioned, there isn't inner corner highlight or brow bone highlight, so I'll go for pink, wouldn't I? So I've got this Makeup Forever Profusion in the pink style one. So there we have it. This is the finished cut crease look. So there we go guys, this is my second look using the JACLYN Hill palette. Yeah, I mean, like I said in the previous one, mattes are really good, apart from that white eyeshadow. I didn't really go too much into depth with it in my last video, just kind of saying it wasn't my cup of tea. It just doesn't set concealer. I don't know what it is, it just doesn't set it. Does anyone else have that issue? Maybe I've just got really like wrinkly eyelids, I don't know. But yeah, even after I do my technique of patting the concealer down, or you know, P. Louise base, and apply the powder afterwards, like it didn't do it. So in the end I had to just use one of my normal setting powders, and you know, that's done a good job. So I don't know, maybe it could just be my lids, I don't know. But feel free and let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this look, and you know, how was it? A bit out of my comfort zone, I'd say. I've done cut creases before like this, but I haven't done them so intense, especially starting with the black. So, I mean, but you know, you learn new things every day kind of thing. So I thought I'd give it a go, and yeah, I'm quite happy with it. And also, have you noticed I'm not wearing a lip gloss? What? I know. Yeah, not wearing a lip gloss either. So, if you like this look, feel free and leave a comment down below. Any thoughts and suggestions would be greatly appreciated. Leave a like on this video, that always helps me out. And, you know, if you want to share the video, carry on. And also, don't forget to subscribe, because that would mean the world to me. And we're nearly at 1,000, so that'd be good. And also, don't forget to follow me on IG. My IG is lacy.makeup. Feel free and give us a follow. I usually end up posting pictures on my Instagram before I actually edit the video because I'm a lazy bitch. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.